No way. Another old lift. This is so awesome. John's Perry. Really awesome. Up to level 2. I don't know if that light up. Oh, it's going down. Oh, it did light. Just on the up panel. Maximum load 1700 kilos, 25 persons with number 1. Do a cab view. Hydro as well. You going up?
Down.
Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going up.
I'll wait for you.
This is the bottom floor.
Yeah. No, there's... Oh, I'm going up, aren't I? Yeah.
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 Oh.
That's all right. I thought I was going down. I'm going
Floor?
up. Ground, please. Just
I
as
don't
well you
think-
knew what you were doing.
Oh, it just won't light up, that's all.
It'll stop, I think. You got it over there.
I really like the glass.
It's really
Have a nice
good
day.
later. Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you for helping me out.
That's all good. This is really bright my day. Oh my god, look up. Look what I see. My god, really good view of the shaft. That's so awesome. This is so awesome. We'll go to the ground floor and we'll end it there. I was not expecting this beauty to be here. I was expecting something like a modded EPL or something, but when I saw this original John's Perry, really came in for a surprise. This is so awesome. I really like it. And not only it's awesome, it's glass too. There we are. Oh, nice pre-doors. It's really old. And it will close up. There it goes. Oh, not yet. There it goes. That's it.